Hi everybody, this is a quick video showing you how to take into Design Space this new SVG to cut a piece of wax melt packaging for a gift box which holds 2 snap bars, 2 inserts which each take 3 tea lights, and then there are 2 cutouts for 2 2-ounce deli pots in the middle. Okay, so there it is on my canvas. As usual with any SVG cut file which has multiple parts and score lines, the first thing you need to do is convert those lines that come in as cuts but which actually need to be scores. And in my SVGs, they always live in this first subgroup in the layers panel. If an SVG like this has been saved correctly, it should come in 3 groups. You've got the main group, which holds the whole SVG, and you can toggle it open and close by just pressing on that little arrow there. And then within it, you've got 2 subgroups, and the first one contains all the lines that need converting to cuts, all grouped together, so you can just do it in one operation. And the group below that contains all the cut pieces and the tiny cuts in between them. So the first thing we do is click on the name of that first subgroup, and clicking on the name of it selects everything within it. You go to your operations menu, click on basic cut and go down to score. And you can see on screen that all those lines get converted now, they've become dashed. And while they're still selected, you need to go back to your layers panel and choose ungroup. I'm working on the desktop version for PC. If you're working on the mobile app, all these commands will be elsewhere. They'll be down in a menu at the bottom of your screen probably, but this is the name of them. Second step is to select that second group which contains all the cut pieces, and all we need to do here is ungroup. And the third step is to select the whole SVG, and since you're working in your layers panel, the quickest way to do that is to click on the name of that group that still contains everything. But if you don't want to do that, you can use this select all button here, or you can just drag on screen to select everything like that. However you do it, once it's all selected, just do that third ungroup. So now everything on screen is an individual piece. Don't worry about these subgroups, that's just the tiny little cuts that are grouped in with the actual cut piece. Everything is a separate piece, and you can attach the individual score lines to the pieces that they relate to. You've got to do it individually. If you attach the whole SVG, you'll end up with something that's way too big to cut, and you'll get a message from Design Space telling you that the project is incompatible. So you just select one piece by clicking on canvas somewhere near it, drag a box to enclose it like that, and then click on attach. And for the desktop version, that's at the bottom of your layers panel. If you're on the mobile app, that's going to be towards the bottom of your screen somewhere. Do that for every piece on screen that has score lines. So this is the lid, this piece here. This is the base of the main box. These 2 pieces are the inserts which go into these holes here, and they hold the tea lights. This is the main insert that holds everything in place in the base of the box, and obviously these are the snap bar boxes. So that's everything attached. We'll click make it and see what we need to make it. So for it's a big box is this one. So the main box base outer goes on one sheet of A3. The insert and the 2 little sub inserts for the tea lights fit on another sheet of A3. The 2 snap bars will cut from one sheet of A4. They definitely will. We're just going to go back there. Let's just Well, align those at the top. I've just cut mine on a sheet of A4, so I know they will. You can definitely get 2 snap bar boxes from one sheet of A4. Let's select those, how big they are. Yeah, easily. I don't know why it's done that. We'll do that like that though. So again, I'll just choose A3, main box base, box inserts. This is the snap bar. Yeah, it's letting me choose A4 now. There you are. And this is the box lid. And again, that's going to take a piece of A3. So the whole box, 3 A3s and 1 sheet of A4. Okay, that's it. It's fairly easy, really, this one. It's a long time since I've made a piece of wax melt packaging. This was a request. I hope more of you like it than the lady who asked for it. If you've got any more questions when you come to cut it or assemble it, you do get a PDF of assembly instructions. But if you have any any questions when you start, don't hesitate to get in touch. The links to do that are in the description below. And if you've just stumbled across this this video and you'd like to buy the SVG, the link to do that is in the description as well. Thanks a lot. Bye.